Hi friends, welcome to Techno Leadership Insights. Ability to think logically, clearly and cut through the crap is very important for technical people. However, sometimes situations that appear simple at the outset may confuse many. Test and stimulate your logical thinking capability through three such challenging scenarios. Scenario 1. A restaurant owner, while going on morning walk, finds rupees 2000 note lying on sidewalk. He picks it up and puts in his wallet. Later in the day, he buys grocery in neighborhood shop and pays the bill using that note. The grocery shop owner pays to wholesaler using that note. In the night, wholesaler goes to the same restaurant I talked about earlier and pays his bill using that note. Next day, restaurant owner goes to bank to deposit his cash. Cashier at the bank pulls out 1 rupees 2000 note from the cash bundle and returns it saying fake note. The restaurant owner looks at the note and recognizes it to be the same one he had picked up on the sidewalk previous day. Since the restaurant owner didn't know which customer gave him that note, he was stuck with it. Now, there were many transactions using same counterfeit note. In the whole chain of transactions, who lost money and who gained? I'll give you 30 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. Nobody lost or gained, except that the joy of finding rupees 2000 note on sidewalk was short-lived. After all, it turned out to be a worthless piece of paper. To really identify who lost and gained, we have to go back to the person who lost it on the pathway. That person who lost the note on pathway was the loser, and the person who gave him was the gainer. Have a better answer? Share in comment section. Scenario 2. A farmer in a village had to walk 4 kilometers from his house to reach railway station. He had to carry two bags of equal weight. The bags were heavy and at a time he could carry only one. His son and daughter came along to help him. The bags had to be carried without opening them. So there was no possibility of transferring some stuff to a third bag. They decided to divide the burden equally among themselves by each carrying a bag for certain portion of the journey. Can you tell how they would have done it? I'll give you 30 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. Farmer and his son started off by carrying one bag each. After 1 1/3 of a kilometer, boy hands over his bag to his sister, who then carried it all the way to railway station. After traveling 2 2/3 of a kilometer, farmer hands over his bag to his son, who will carry it till railway station. That way, each carried one bag for a distance of 2 2/3 of a kilometer. Have a better answer? Share in comment section. Scenario 3. An oil miller, instead of charging money, takes 1/10 of oil produced as fee. What was the amount of oil produced if the customer was left with exactly 1 liter of oil after paying the fee to the miller? I'll give you 30 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. 1 and 1/9 of a liter. Have a better answer? Share in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.